Unveiling the Newsmaker, who they are and what they do. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the phrase newsmaker. It's a word you might come across in news articles, podcasts, or discussions about current events. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what a newsmaker is but also how to use the term in your own conversations. So, let's dive in. A newsmaker is an individual or organization that has gained attention from the news media due to their actions, achievements, or unique story. They are the subject of reporters' and journalists' articles, broadcasts, and interviews. Essentially, if someone or something is generating headlines or is at the center of media coverage, they are a newsmaker. To better grasp the concept, let's look at some examples. A politician who proposes a controversial law, a celebrity who stars in a blockbuster movie, a scientist who makes a groundbreaking discovery, an organization that announces a major breakthrough or scandal. These individuals and groups become the focus of public attention and discussion, which is why they are called newsmakers. Being a newsmaker can have significant impacts. For a person or organization, it can increase visibility and public awareness, influence public opinion and shape societal discussions, affect the success of their projects, campaigns, or careers. It's important to note that being a newsmaker can have both positive and negative connotations, depending on the reason for the media coverage. Newsmakers play a crucial role in the media. They are often the sources of information for journalists and can sometimes influence what is reported and how it's presented. The relationship between newsmakers and the media is symbiotic. Newsmakers need media coverage to get their message out, and the media needs newsmakers to create content that attracts audiences. Let's see how to use newsmaker in a sentence. The CEO became a newsmaker after announcing the latest technological innovation. Climate activists have been newsmakers throughout the summer due to their widespread protests. Remember, anyone who commands media attention can be considered a newsmaker. That wraps up our exploration of the term newsmaker. Next time you watch the news or read an article, think about who the newsmakers are and why they're receiving coverage. I hope this video helps you understand this interesting phrase and how it's used in the English language. Keep practicing, and you'll be a newsmaker in the world of English language learning in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.